So here, this is Vlogmas 19 and I'm really so happy that it's almost gonna end. Not because it's too much work, but because we're gonna start a new chapter. I'm gonna do daily vlogs after the Vlogmas episodes and I'm really hoping I could do it every day talaga. So, let's do it. But there, we're cutting Vlogmas short. Dapat yung Vlogmas episodes natin up to 25 episodes. Pero, na-late tayo sa postings. And when I finally got the time to edit everything and ipopost ko na dapat, super daming nangyari dito sa bahay na to. May mga good news and bad news na dumating the past days. Kaya, hindi ako nakapag-edit, hindi ako nakapag-post. And, ika-cut short natin yung Vlogmas to 20 episodes instead of 25 episodes. Na-film ko na talaga yung mga Vlogmas episodes hanggang 25 pero hindi ko na lang sila ipopost dahil may mga nawalang clips. May mga na-delete tayong clips dahil yung memory card ko naputol. So, hindi ko na talaga siya ma-retrieve. And meron ako isang memory card na di na talaga siya nag-open. So, dalawang memory card ang nawala. So, madaming Vlogmas episodes na nandoon na ayoko nang i-shoot ulit kasi day ko yun. So, hindi ko na pwedeng ulitin. So, there. And meron mga nangyari dito sa bahay na to. Good and bad news. Good news is, guys, nakita niyo yun dun sa isang Vlogmas ko. Ayun! Graduate na ako, guys. May diploma na akong dumating. It's official dahil may diploma na. Kaya, yun, ngayon pa lang talaga yung celebrate. And these days, after ko natanggap yung diploma, dun ako napaisip na parang, where will I go now? It's been how many months na nandito lang ako sa bahay, not doing anything for my career. So, yun, nag-iisip ako the past days. Kaya din, ang hirap mag-edit, ang hirap mag-vlog. Wait, let's change kasi may araw. Ayan. Ang hirap mag-vlog, ang hirap mag-edit dahil yun, ang tagal ko nag-iisip, where will I go next? Will I study here? Will I study outside the country? Will I go there, go everywhere? I don't know. Super daming questions on my mind lately. Kaya din, ang daming times na dapat magiging productive ako pero hindi talaga dahil I've been thinking after kung ma-receive yung diploma. And, guys, nung mayroon na akong courage mag-edit and upload ulit, ayun, may nangyari dito sa bahay. Papakita ko na lang yung clip. So, this happened today. Kaya wala tayong Vlogmas today. Oh my God. Ayun, guys, that was a mini heart attack for everyone because ang likod kasi ng pamangkin ko and naiiyak siya. Nasa simbang gabi ako ng time na yon, so I didn't know what happened. Kung nandito ako, siguro kasama ko siya, binabantayan ko siya at hindi nangyari. Pero yun, it was meant to happen siguro. Para din matuto siya the hard way na sa kakulitan niya. But there, it was a mini heart attack for everyone. Kahit nung nakauwi na siya at naglikot-likot na siya ulit, yung puso ko, Diyos ko, hindi ko alam anong gagawin after that. And ngayon, hindi ko siya iniiwan anywhere. Kahit na may ginagawa ko, isasama ko siya sa kwarto. Dito ka mag-play, dito ka manonood, dito ka lang. So, yun, mini heart attack talaga siya. And after that, dun ko naisip na i-cut na natin yung Vlogmas short kasi hindi na kayang i-upload lahat in a single day. So, yun, ayoko din kayong i-bombard ng vlogs na 4 na vlogs in a day. Kahit na kaya ko siyang i-edit at i-upload. Ayoko naman ganun ka-bombard sa inyo. Baka kinuha ko na yung oras nyo. Pero yun, na-update ko na kayo sa mga happenings dito sa bahay. At bakit 20 episodes na lang yung vlogmas natin. And now, tungkol saan ba tong Vlogmas na to? It's the second to the last Vlogmas. So, hindi pa to yung vlog ko nung Christmas and Christmas Eve. That's gonna be my last vlog for this year's Vlogmas. So, this vlog is about, guys, I noticed kasi na every year, every Christmas, meron akong giveaway. And nakita nyo na nagpa-giveaway tayo ng cellphone, ring light, and earphones. And hindi lang ngayong December tayo nag-giveaway. Almost every month, the whole year, nagpa-giveaway tayo. Every K-Talks episode and so much more. Kasi guys, that's how grateful I am for everyone. Ever since I started YouTube and ever since I started vlogging, although sasabihin ko na nung nagbablog ako, I started vlogging because I needed extra income na hindi na ako maghihingi sa parents ko ng money for my luho dahil madami akong gustong bilhin na damit, gano'n, and everything nung nakadating na ako sa Manila. And I was living alone, so ang hirap mag-budget with the allowance lang na binibigay, especially if you're a student. So, yun, nag-extra ako, nag-vlog ako and everything to get my luho. And after that, naisip ko to move on and really karirin na to. Kahit na meron akong months na magsastop ako, tapos go, stop, go, I still continued because extra income siya, yung vlogging ko before. And I get to express myself because before, it was really so hard for me to express myself. Super nahihirapan ako in person, especially if stranger yung kausap ko. But there, vlogging made me put myself out there. So, yon, after vlogging, nag-YouTube tayo. But guys, for the past years, ilang years na ako nag-YouTube, pero I always stop. Hindi ako consistent. Minsan, ayan na, meron na tayong 1,000 subscribers, pero nag-stop tayo, nawala yung watch hours, and yun, ulit-ulit. 2 beses na napunta sa akin yung, eto na, magiging monetize na tayo. Pero, hindi nangyayari kasi nag-stop ako. As in, matagal yung mga stop ko, 4 months, ganun, 5 months, and yung mga watch hours na expire. So, yun, after how many years in YouTube, we're still not monetized, but I really gained so much experience from vlogging na din before, and sa years na nandito na ako sa industry nito. So, yun, this year, ang daming liit-liit na projects na kinuha ko so that I could still do what I was doing before na nag-giveaway. Because, guys, my target na nag-start ako mag-YouTube is to donate to my dad's foundation, kung saan foundation involved ang dad ko, which is Yellow Boat of Hope Foundation. But during this time, nung nakapag-ipon na ako ng madodonate ko to a foundation, I didn't go to my dad's foundation dahil I felt the need na mas kailangan itong foundation na to, yung donation ko. So, nag-donate ako sa GW Food Drive. It is my friend's donation drive, and I'm really so happy that they got to distribute so much with what I gave them. So there, I will show you clips of what GW Food Drive did with my donation. So watch this. Ayun guys, I was so happy when I saw the video. Super daming napasaya kahit little amount lang yung na-donate ko. And ginawa ko tong video na to because I wanted to show you guys na yung pag-giveaway ko and everything is for you guys na nagsusupport sa akin. Dahil guys, isa kayo sa mga tumutulong din for me to get more sponsored posts, to get more income so that I could share my blessings more to people who needs it. Yon, nag-share ako nito kasi first is that, guys, hindi pa ako monetized sa YouTube, pero I have sponsorships and I'm doing a part-time job lately, and doon ko talaga nakukuha yung income ko for the past months kahit na I'm really palamunin lang dito sa bahay for the past months. Habang hinihintay ko yung diploma ko, super palamunin ko lang. So, yun, di pa ako monetized. Hindi naman ako super sikat. Meron ako mga kasabayan noong 2016 na ngayon super big names na. Pero ako, I'm here pa rin kasi hindi talaga ako consistent. And yun, napapabayaan talaga yung pag-handle ng social media dati dahil I was in school. But now, I'm trying to focus on it so that I could give back to more people. Kasi early in our childhood, lagi kaming in-expose sa foundations, sa outreach programs and everything so that we know how it feels to give back. And sabi ko nga, when I chose my course nung college, I wanted an occupation na masaya ako. And at the same time, nafe-feel ko lagi yung nafe-feel ko pag nag-outreach yung ang daming taong napapatawa. Kaya, yun talaga yung main purpose ko now why I'm doing this. And I hope we could sustain it in the years to come. And I hope I inspire more people like me na active sa social media to give back as much as they can. I know may daming big shot na dyan, pero they just give a little portion of what they have. But I hope, especially at these times, we help each other out. So, there, I just made this video to inspire you guys and inspire people like me, or people who wants to be like me, who is active in social media. So there guys, I hope to see you in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button, and see you in our last Vlogmas episode. Bye guys.